Hey, welcome to Cheffin with Finn, and I'm going to be making some sushi rolls. Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Before you start, always ask a parent for permission and always wash your hands. First, you're going to make the rice, and here's what you need. Sushi rice, rice vinegar, sugar, and olive oil in a pot. We already made the rice, but this is the steps that we use to make it. Take 2 cups of rice, put it in the pot, rinse it in the sink, then add 3 cups of water, heat it on high until it boils, turn it down to low, and cover it for 20 minutes. While you're waiting for the rice to cook, dance. And put it into a ceramic bowl to cool. Now time to mix the vinegar. Half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, tablespoon of olive oil. Put it on medium heat and wait for the sugar to dissolve. This doesn't smell pleasant. Once the sugar is dissolved, pour it over the rice. You might need a little bit of assistance with this because it's hot. Then mix it into the rice. The rest of the ingredients you need: cucumber, carrots, avocado, rice we just made, sauce, mayo, seaweed, cream cheese, crab meat, tuna. Cut it in half. Cut it into long, thin strips, like this. Your cream cheese into small thin slices. Put in the can of tuna and drain out the water. Then put it in a bowl. Then put a little bit of your mayo. Then mix it for a while. Don't you love that sound? Ugh. Then cut the avocado. Seaweed has 2 different sides. One is shiny, one is bumpy. You want to put the shiny side down. Then make a ball of rice. Pack it like a big snowball. Smooth it down like a hot dog. Then move it up like this and down. Just make the seaweed thing all covered up. Then put some tuna on it. Then put some carrots on it. And then put some crab meat. And then cucumber. Then avocado. Then put some cream cheese on it. and spread it all the way on There you have it. You made a sushi roll. Now slice it up and eat it.